In the world of Linux gaming, two names have started gaining serious attention in 2025, Nobara Linux and Bazzite. Both claim to offer the ultimate experience for gamers, with performance tweaks, support for the latest titles, and seamless integration with platforms like Steam. But the question remains, which one truly dominates this year? Don't make your decision yet. What you're about to hear might completely change your mind. Let's start with Nobara Linux. It looks like the perfect distro at first glance. Clean, easy to install, and optimized out of the box for gaming. It's based on Ubuntu, which means stability and user-friendliness are built in. If you're a casual gamer or someone just starting out with Linux, this is the safe bet. It has solid support for NVIDIA and AMD drivers, works beautifully with Proton and Vulkan, and gets frequent updates focused on game compatibility. But here's the warning. If you're someone who needs deeper system control or customization, Nobara might feel too limited. It hides the complexity for simplicity's sake. That's not bad, but it's something to keep in mind. Now, on to Bazzite. And let me be blunt, this distro is not for beginners. Built on Arch Linux, Bazzite is all about raw power, speed, and complete control. It comes with a custom kernel and cutting-edge drivers that push performance to the limit, especially in AAA titles and demanding setups. It's a beast, but that power comes at a cost. Installation is trickier, updates are bleeding edge, and if you're not familiar with troubleshooting, one wrong move could break your system. Still, for advanced users who want full control and the best performance possible, Bazzite is unmatched. So what's the conclusion? Nobara is perfect if you want a clean, ready-to-go gaming system that just works. Bazzite is for the pros, the ones who are ready to tweak, optimize, and take full control of every frame. Make your choice wisely, because the wrong one could ruin your experience. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which distro you'd trust for your 2025 gaming setup.